To purchase a Shopify plan using UPI, you will typically need to follow these steps. Select a Shopify plan. Choose a Shopify plan that best suits your business needs. Shopify offers different plans based on features and requirements. Proceed to checkout. After selecting your desired plan, proceed to the checkout page. Here, you will be prompted to enter your billing information. Choose payment method. Look for the payment options section during checkout. Select the UPI payment method if it's available. Enter UPI details. Once you've selected UPI as your payment method, you will need to provide your UPI ID or scan the QR code provided by Shopify using your UPI-enabled mobile banking app. Complete payment. Follow the prompts on your banking app to authorize the payment. This typically involves entering a UPI PIN or providing biometric authentication. Confirmation. Once the payment is successfully processed, you should receive a confirmation message from both Shopify and your bank. Access Shopify dashboard. After the payment is confirmed, you will gain access to your Shopify account and can start setting up your online store.